You're gonna send the link out.
Yep. Is there a way you could integrate the text or no?
You're gonna send the link out.
Yep.
Ooh. No, I haven't figured out how yet.
I thought it said like. Hmm. I can't hear the music.
Hmm. The share sounds on.
Oh, I hear it now. Well, I'll just pray and we can do top down even though we're missing some people.
All right.
Dear God, Lord, thank you for this day. Lord, thank you for who you are and what you've done, God. Thank you for these guys that show up here, God. We ask that you keep your hand of protection over them. Lord, just give us wisdom as we look at the charts this morning. Lord, we love you. In Jesus' name, amen.
Mm. So on gold here, 4 hour, it's pushing down. We ended up closing bearish on the previous, and we're continued down, showing a little bit of sign of rejection. Let's check the daily. Daily's coming down as well. The hourly is pushing back up off of this level right here, 48.30. So we'll see how we react from that. The 30 minutes come back up. Looks like it's wanting to reflip here and create a top wick. And the 15 is just kind of pushing up with no bottom wick, so a little bit tricky there. Um, so yeah, that's what it looks like on gold. We're we're melting down right now. Um, See if we want to hold that resistance or continue down the rest of the session below 48.30. Then on NQ, the daily close up, filling that wick to the downside. 4 hour as well coming down. Uh, yeah, clean range looking left. Just pretty overextended now on the hourly and the 30 minutes. So looking to get a fresh support and then maybe even a sell on this wick fill if we get a closure below that level right there. Um, but yeah, so we're looking like on the Nasdaq. Um, Pretty bearish on that as well. We've tapped targets though on the 4 hour for the most part, so we'll see what we want to do the rest of the session.
Yep. Yeah,
MPC.
that's what Deck was telling me. All right. Because was it current candle stops?
Yeah, this current candle stops for like 300, 350. Took his time. Took another reflip or the rebreak of the hourly, and so maybe takes for like 30 seconds and then watched it diddle around for 20 minutes.
Because that was right at 7:30. Or sorry, that was right at what time? 9:30?
Yeah, I believe so. 9:15, 9:30. It closed below this level. It was mainly it was that exhaustion sell off the 15, but it was mainly the 4 hour coming down to make the bottom wick as well as the hourly.
Dude, Bitcoin is back below 70.
Oh my gosh.
It's at 69. I think the music's just really quiet.
Is it?
So I got mine on max volume. Can't hear.
What about this one?
Yeah, I can hear it.
Better?
Yep. What's the price that you don't need it at for Bitcoin?
I added more collide. It's like 55.
55.
Yeah.
Do they send you like a request of like, hey, you're getting low or something?
Mm-mm.
No, just as soon as it hits that price, you're done.
I believe so, yeah. Thank you. Just hate, I don't hate how overextended the 30 is, but wick fill in the hourly.
Yeah, I mean, see how it closes.
It close below.
There's unemployment claims here.
See
Yeah.
that?
Yeah, and then it closed below. Mhm.
Do you have a ride today?
Yeah, gotta go in at gotta go in at 9. Today, my last mid ride, and
It's
then I moved to Early's.
early morning.
Yep.
Any luck on the housing stuff?
Now, well, we may end up renting, um, just because, like my dad was like encouraging to buy, but I was like, what I don't want to do is have half or over half my paycheck go to a housing payment,
Mm-hmm.
mortgage, and then I'm like, so we may look at something to rent, or there's still one other condo, one or two other condos we still want to look at, but yeah,
Yeah.
the
I don't know. I'm more like
odds like and
rent when you're young and then buy a house when you are gonna be there for 5+ years when you
yeah,
have a family.
that was my thing. Like 3 years, and I'm like
It especially there.
yeah, I was like, there's not much. I was like, at best we'll go up, or like at best we'll go up some, but like it's not enough to do anything because you'll have housing repairs, you'll have this, you'll have that, and it's like, well, yeah, I made money, but I put more into this house, and
Mm-hmm.
so I don't know. I'm just, and then at the time too, you have zero cash flow because your the mortgage payments were over half my paycheck.
Mm-hmm.
So, but yeah, we'll have to see. I'm not opposed to a condo, but I'd rather not get a crappy condo. I'd rather rent something nicer for cheaper too than the mortgage payment on a crappy condo.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, I definitely lean towards that.
yeah,
In that way, like you never know what what could happen in those 3 years too.
oh, 100%.
Like a year down the road, be like, dude, I just bought this house. Now I'm already want to sell it or whatever it could be.
Yeah, no, I know. Yeah, but it'll be. And I was looking at houses to rent too. It's like there's not bad stuff for rent. Like where it's like, all right, this isn't looks in decent shape.
Yeah.
It looks in good shape. The houses where it's like within the budget and stuff are like, well, Zillow makes them look nice, but then you go and he's like, yeah, this house looks like it went through the flood. They didn't show this room. But like, yeah, it was all ripped up and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Like, and I don't want to get them the house and be like, I already have enough to do with Air Force stuff. I don't want to be like, all right, well, now I need to do a whole re or a whole production on
Yeah.
the house. So, you
Yeah, that would not be fun.
do what?
That would not be fun.
No. Some of the houses that I've seen that have been bought, it's like, oh, that was, or some of the houses I'm seeing for rent are like, oh, that house was just for sale. So that person just bought it and then is now just renting it.
They're renting it out.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Send some of the stuff that you see for rent.
I was looking at houses. The houses don't look as good to rent. Like this is right at my BAH. Uh, but what is it? Or actually, it would. Or it's yeah. No, I got. mm, I don't know what you call it, but yeah, I kind of like this one, and it's 1100 for the one that I'm looking at.
This one right here, maybe.
Well, so if you scroll down, there's just different units. So nine available units. Um,
Yeah, dude. This is where you want to be.
the only thing I don't want the one bedroom. I want the two bed.
Yeah, for an office.
Yeah, because I don't need that.
Or do they have White Monster in that? No.
Oh, I was like, man. Yeah. And if I do a two bed, one bath, or two bed, two bath, 1100. Now, if I do a three bed, two bath, it'd be about 1300. So it's like
I think it'd be worth.
maybe doing a three bed, two bath, to be honest.
Yeah.
Let me look at the layout on that. That's such an odd layout. That's so funny. Oh, okay. No, never mind. I'm seeing it now. I thought the two bathrooms were I thought the two bathrooms were like right next to each other, like door to door. I was like, all right. But
That would have
then,
been odd.
mm,
Yeah, I like that one.
yeah, so do I. I mean, I think it looks.
Got a nice living room. Is it furnished?
I don't know if it is. We may.
Tell them to take the furniture out. Y'all had plenty. Like that, dude. Y'all would just get there and be like, uh,
Dude, we were looking at one house that didn't have a dishwasher in it. I was like, what on earth are y'all like? Like, what do you mean the house? Like, he was showing the place and he's like, yeah, the house doesn't have a dishwasher. I'm like, do these people just hand wash this?
yeah.
I want to see the um Amenities. Much parking, okay, but how many garage parking?
Uh, that 15 looks good on gold, but
Yeah,
that
it's
30
just, yeah,
horrible.
it's like finally the 15 looks good, but then the 30, like you were saying, is just, I'd like a closure below, to be honest,
Mm-hmm.
but because there for a minute, the 15, and plus still the 15 is just barcoding at the moment on gold. And then, yeah, and they got walk-in closets. Dude, one house I saw like was we were looking at was like a 4 bed, 2 bath. They had like negative closet space. I was like,
And a 4 bedroom?
yeah, like I mean, it was like the one like each bedroom would have like I'm like, dude, it's like a coat closet at best if you walk in, like a tiny coat closet. Like, oh my gosh,
Yeah, it's odd.
V very. this 15 closes back up right right next to the other one. Oh gosh, bro. Let's see. What do we got?
Are you talking about on NQ or gold?
Gold.
Gold, yeah.
A 15.
Yeah.
We'll take a look back at NQ.
And NQ, it looks gross off the 15, 30.
Just not enough. Like,
Volume.
yeah. I mean, even though it's 274 pips in this one candle, it's just not able to get out of
Yeah,
this
range.
new range it created.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll get something here at whatever.
That's what I was kind of looking for.
Reg backs me up.
Let's watch this one.
Pull it up on the screen. In case.
Bro,
Yes.
as soon as you see. I have a hard time not laughing as soon as I see Kate in the. He's just yanking that bar. Alright, let's see.
No, I know. I'm like chill.
Yeah.
Bro, I was crying when where's AJ at? Is he yes, he good, he's on here. Bro, when AJ loaded up 275 on the bar, I know he's like, hey bro, you're gonna have to curl this. Boy, you cannot do 275. I saw that, I was like, y'all. I was like, yeah, poor Kane just curling this bar with them. That's teamwork. Not
Back,
for
everyone. This is Rock Fitness, and I'm super excited to show y'all this full push day that me and my homeboy Caden Morgan did. Starting out with a little simple warm-up, just doing the bar, getting our body moving, getting the blood flowing. Definitely about to
Bro,
feel
what
good.
is he doing?
Here we're moving into some heavy bench press. You know, had to assist each other on this because we got up to about 275. Did it for about 3 to 4 reps, just really trying to
he's
maximize our
yanking
strength, grow our pecs, grow our back, doing all the great stuff that's needed. Here you see me struggling a little bit. Hey, first week back, guys. You guys
Boy,
know
he's
how
got
it
the
is, but look
shoulders
at these
into it.
clean
He's
pull-ups.
shrugging
Full range
the
of
bar.
motion, a little bit of knee drive,
Look
but
at those yanking of.
nobody's perfect. Caden over here, chest to bar. You love to see it. Did a little bit of a back pull as well. Had the 90s, just ruin them. Let's get to it. Me and Caden out here just moving weight. It's been so much fun working out again. I absolutely love going to the hyper. Such a unique environment, and you know you see people working out hard too, so it's a little bit of extra motivation.
Wait,
Here we go,
that's the
taking the
hyper?
75s for a little push.
Hey, the
Gonna
hyper's
try to get 3 to 4 reps here. As you can see, my collarbone gave out a little bit on that last one, but we thrilled through. Caden out here moving it like butter, getting it up and getting it down, man. You know, had to move on to some decline push-ups, just, you know, trying to get that blood flowing, trying to get that pump going. And as y'all know, I can cook. So I had to have him try this uber
This
seasoned
cracked me up.
chicken. Of course, he's never tasted anything like this before. Let's get it.
Of course, he's never tasted anything like this before.
Yeah, that's the driest chicken wing I've ever had in my life.
Oh,
The hyper, the hype boy, what? Oh, the hyper be hype. Yeah,
boy,
that's ridiculous. Like, the hyper when we went was,
dog water.
yeah,
But no,
dang.
that cracked me up. 3 times speed on the bench press is hilarious. Dude, that killed me. But what was I gonna say?
Got 30 close below.
On NQ.
More
NQ
gold as
looks,
well. Or
yeah.
NQE looks even better. Quick fill.
Little breakout action, maybe?
On NQ.
Yeah.
Get a top wick. That's gay. Yeah.
Come on, a little more than that.
Yeah. There we go. I'm gonna have it on the break the previous year.
Yeah.
Um,
Continue, sorry. Breakout on the 15. We got 30 minutes. Oh, Lee, I'm involved very quickly. Wow.
yeah, with for more, I gotta
Okay.
go break even on this. Um,
Golly, I may get stopped out here for.
I didn't even have a chance to set that on
Oh,
my other account.
I would have loved to.
Well, I just got filled immediately there for 900 on my 150K.
Yeah, I would have loved to
Yes.
close. That's great.
That was crazy volume for no, I know that was a new hourly candle, but it just whipsawed down there for
I mean, I probably saw $600 and I didn't even get a chance to close it.
dang. I was break even there and I got slipped for like let's look at that. $70. It's not bad. But it's a quick
Yeah.
900
What
on the
would
150K, but man, that's dude, that would it didn't give us much time to make a decision there. I hope you guys could have either taken profit or gone break even. Combine pass. Let's go, Xander.
boy? Uh, yeah, I mean, I didn't even get a chance. I was like, well, maybe break even,
Did it?
and then it was already back up. I was like,
Yeah.
okay. So
How many contracts you got right there?
I
Two.
just went one. Yeah, so I saw like $500. I was like, oh, okay.
Yeah, I went two thinking like NQ is half, so I
Well,
saw yeah,
NQ is half, but like whenever
but
these
it's still the
things,
regular pip. This the regular yeah. I saw
yeah,
like yeah, I saw like 600 there.
I was like,
Uh, that didn't even get a chance to enter that one. Yeah, that happened quick.
yeah,
Um,
don't.
be glad you didn't though. I mean,
I mean, if you closed or if you had your take profit at 500, like,
shoot, I didn't even have time to set my take profit there.
no, I know, but I'm saying like automatically
I know
apply.
automatically. I had it automatically on my 150K and I went five contracts on that and made 900 bucks in like 2 seconds.
Oh my God.
But
That's awesome. That is something. How long was that trade? 12 seconds maybe. 27 seconds.
Jace.
What the?
My trade was a total of 2 seconds.
That's awesome.
2.01.
There you go,
Or
baby.
actually,
You got that XFA though.
I
Yeah,
wasn't
this
able to get
trade.
in the trade.
Yeah, that happened quick. Yeah,
my
this trade
my
took.
my bracket was set, and I'll forever do that now because that happened way too fast, dude. I would have never made money if I had to pull that thing down.
Yeah, the bracket having the brackets are can help you, like especially if you need if you have a profit target for each trade, like I do on this 150K. Like I made that 900 right there. Oh shoot, I just jacked that up. What in the world? How do I drag this down?
Yeah. Holy.
Dude, that took that trade duration 0 seconds.
Oh my gosh, because of you had your take profit already set?
Yeah, it's already set at 900. Like I can't. It's the on top one. Like I can't go over 900 because of the
Oh my
consistency,
god. You had 0 seconds.
Uh,
Dude, that's awesome.
dude, get me out of this. All right, I'm just gonna
Yeah, I mean,
set
I
it
get
back up. Um,
And of course, that was the dude. One day is all I needed. One more day to take a payout, and I take a loss on that,
yeah, man.
and essentially drain good amount of the profits. Alrighty.
How many ticks was your stop loss at?
What was it? 795, bro. So it was current candle stop. So I don't know, whatever that would have been.
Oh, that was 796.
Yeah,
Jeez.
dude. Because I was like it was on the break of the current can current candle stops. And so,
Yeah, I can't lie. I saw my stop loss there like 1500. I was like, I gotta go break even right now.
well, yeah, I was about to close, but I was like, what?
Yeah,
I was like, I saw that. I'm like, okay,
about to
I'm about
close,
to
but it
close. I'm
only.
break even. Okay, let me try. Okay, now we're down. There it is.
Yeah, I mean about to close, but we still. I was like, oh, we got room. Let's fill the rest of this wick, baby.
Yeah, I mean, I was hoping that was the play, but
Yeah,
I was being
got manipulated.
that's awesome. Those 0 seconds, $900.
Might have a new little play.
That new play, like it.
No, it just whips all down that much.
Yeah, whipsawed
Because
down
that's
that
when
much, and
that's
then
when
you're going.
like, dude, especially when I was first starting, the thoughts creep in like, dude, let me just do that every time. Set my bracket, however much money I want, quick 1,000, max risk at 10 pips and call it good until you get tapped in by
And
one
draw
pip
down.
and you blow your account.
Yeah. Yep. Well, get to mark that fun trade up.
Yeah.
Is that?
Beckham, can I ask a question?
Yes, sir.
I'm confused. Was that a win or a loss? It sounds like some people lost, some people won.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So some won, some lost.
Yeah. So for me, I got break even on this account, but for that 150K account I trade, it hit my 900. So I made 900 bucks on that trade. Um, but actually, I made it. But since last night's loss, I'm still negative like 200 bucks. So I just basically got the loss back. But that's how it's just different because I would have taken a loss as well as Dyson if I didn't have my profit target there for the consistency rule. And then, Xander passed his combine because all he needed was 1,200 or something. So some people went break even. Dyson was like, dude, I didn't even have enough time to go break even.
Yeah.
And some people made the money.
Yeah, I see. I just don't even. Doesn't even make it. I just don't get how Xander can make $1,200 and Dyson.
Because he already had we didn't even have time on our actual accounts to set our take profit.
Yeah.
It whipsaw down that fast, but when it did, and you have your in your settings your take profit already set, it's already there. So if it whipsaws down, you get entered in and it hits your take profit, boom, boom, you're out. You don't have to do anything,
Okay.
Yeah.
which rarely ever happens.
Yeah. That
That was very interesting.
Yeah, that literally went from I was outside getting my son. I see you hit, do your thing there, and I rush in, and it was already over.
Yeah. No, that was. I mean, yeah, it's crazy. I got in and out of that on the 150K account in under a second,
that's
and then
awesome.
the break even. That lasted 11 seconds. Guess it wouldn't even break even though I still lost $70.
If I see this thing run, I'm gonna kill myself.
I know.
Go drive. Let's see. Oh no. Inside.
Dude, I'm so sore.
Really?
Yeah, I went on like
I
a
bet.
good little run yesterday. It's like lower back, legs, just everything.
How far did you go on the run?
Dude, I never track it. I just go until I don't want to anymore. It's typically like when I do track it, it's like 2 to 5 miles. It's in that range.
Okay.
But I don't know. I just like throw my headphones in and I'm running around.
Steven, he runs for 152 steps.
That
Like
doesn't even
we've seen
shock
it,
me.
dude. Don't let him fool you on live stream.
What happened the last time we all ran together?
I got absolutely decimated.
Yeah.
I
After
forgot about
y'all
that. AJ
surprise
AJ
attacked
got
me with a
smoked in the
Murph.
mud.
You know, I actually almost unfriended y'all after that. I really went through my mind a couple times. I said, you know, what fake friends pulls up to their house to see their friend die?
Yeah, that was funny.
In the
That
rain.
was
In the
a
rain.
real my ego. I almost cried that day. Like I had to take a couple seconds in the shower to remind myself that I used to be an athlete. I hit the Heisman pose a couple times, shook it off.
Oh my gosh. I totally forgot about that deck that we all did that Murph that one day.
I know.
I like to say, I'm not gonna say that. I'm gonna go back on mute.
Can't even watch NQ. It disgusts me.
I know, man. I'm sorry. That's so frustrating. Being one more day away from payout, and then it just something like that happens.
Yeah. But that is all good. Because there may still be something. Let's go, dude.
Oh, for sure. I mean,
Let's go, dude. I should just full port revenge trade this account. Yeah.
Here we go.
Yes, sir. Our boy
W.
Zand.
He's back.
He's back.
I think we're gonna rally up here today on gold.
Yep. Hank Q just bled off till
I know,
Kingdom
man.
Come.
Be right back. Ooh,
I can't even lie. I was about to be like, I was like, dude, there's no top wick on this 30. It drove straight down.
it's tempting.
Dude, it was so tempting. And I'm like,
Don't do it.
I was like, if I do this and I'm going to blow my account off, I'm like, dude, I would die. I'm like, that would actually me setting a buy stop there for when it flipped bullish would have, and I would have taken a loss or even a win. I would have been like, bro, what am I doing?
Yeah.
But,
Your fellow cadets in the Air Force would be catching some strays all day long.
buddy, they would have, I would have been like, teacher, I don't even want to be here today.
Don't even look at me the wrong way.
Don't even look at me. It's okay. I only would have seen 300 pips. Shit on Goldie. Shit on Goldie.
Can't decide what it wants to do.
It sure can't. Dude, this 15 is the most disgusting thing I've ever seen.
Mm-hmm. Man. Should have taken on the reflip.
You kill me. You kill me. Well, because I was like, you know what? If it wasn't so bearish, I was like, I almost took it based off the 15 here.
I know the 15.
Because I was like, all right, and especially once it went down with no top wick, I'm like, that is extreme target tap. Like we are in target tap area. But
Target tap.
target tap
Stop sell.
area. Oh, it's okay. I only would have got 600 pips. But yeah, and plus the 30 just closed up, not great. There's a lot of things, but I was like, eh. They're like, yep, called the wick fill, target tapped, up top. We good.
Call everything, man.
For everything. I still lose $800 somehow.
I would like to see this on NQ. His goal, we're just getting up into that chop.
Yeah. What do you want to see on NQ?
Trying to get like it come back down. You know. Give us that clean range to come back up.
Yeah. Unfortunately, we'll have to.
Yeah, you'll be off by then.
Yeah. Because I gotta start.
What's it, trusses?
Gotta start going here.
No, it's alright. You won't miss anything. It's just gonna keep ripping up.
Yeah, gold. Dude, that is some filthy ranges here. But yeah, I feel like NQ could get something, and NQ will have volume later too. So, but
Very true.
alrighty. Well, here.
You heading out?
Yeah, I need to start getting ready, dude.
All right, man.
Sorry. See you, boys.
See you, brother. Have a good day. And then that was five sawdust left. We get coffee.